Welcome to week 7, the final week. Now, a lot of people ask, when is the perfect time to train? Is it in the morning? Is it in the evening? There isn't a perfect time. The perfect time is making sure that you get it done. So if you wait until the end of the day and you feel tired and you justify and come up with an excuse of why you shouldn't train, then you definitely need to get it out of the way in the morning, okay? So if you train in the evening, that's absolutely fine. I personally like to train in the middle of the day, but I have a flexible schedule. You may not. Train in the morning, train in midday, train in the evening, just get it done. Now, there's going to be plenty of times for you to justify an excuse. Could be a birthday, could be Thanksgiving, could be a wedding celebration, whatever. There's always a celebration where people try to influence you to do something bad. This is where you're going to test your resolve. Let's see how bad you really want it. This is your opportunity to control your environment and not get controlled by it. Have a great week 7, and I'll see you strong at the end of the week.